Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. Today's video is Junk Journal with me and Daphne's Diary magazine. I wanted to journal with the pages that I liked from the magazine, and I think this is one of the great ways of using this pretty magazine. So this is this month's issue of Daphne's Diary magazine, and I picked this page about gems because I really like the photos in this page. I love images of fruits, and especially I love the picture of 5 different colored gems at the bottom of the page. So I cut out images that I wanted to keep in my journal, and I added washi tapes at the top and the bottom to give more cohesive background color, and they work as a frame as well. I really like using washi tapes like this. In case you're wondering, the orange washi tape is empty washi tape, and the navy color one is from Creekside Collection by One Kind 2, which I shared with you in my previous haul video. I glued all the pieces from the magazine. Now I'm making a tag with a red gingham pattern because it reminds me of gem jars. And I added the same orange washi tape but narrow version of it. It is one of the empty slim washi tapes. I found that the photo was not well glued on the washi tape, which was obvious because the washi tapes were glossy, so I added double-sided tape on the back of the picture. And then I attached the tag on the page, hanging out a little bit at the top. This is a sticker sheet from the magazine. I'm adding a couple of cute gem jar stickers. And I pulled out my stickers from sticker folder. These are puffy stickers that I bought like 20 years ago. Yeah, I can't believe that I'm still keeping it. But anyway, these lemon and cherry stickers went well on this journaling page. And I pulled out two Distress Oxide and VersaFine ink pads to stamp the date because I wanted to make like shadow effect so the date can blend in the page. Now I'm journaling. I really like the colors in this journaling page. Orange, red, yellow, these are not the colors that I usually reach out, but I really like how they give warm vibes. The weather is getting cold here. I think I needed these colors. So eventually this journaling page turned out like I recast the magazine page in my journal, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this journaling process video. Next week, I'll share Christmas books that I've been working on, so if you wanna see them, definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye bye!